Welcome, amazing one, and let's solve this beautiful geometry puzzle together. We are given a large square, and drawn inside is a small square, such that this square touches the center of the large square at this point. And we are also given that this length from here to this end measures 6 units. And the question is asking us, what is the area of the small square, the shaded part? So how do you get the area? It's just so easy, relaxed. I will take you through that step by step. Now, for you to find the area of this small square, you know too well that for a square, all the sides are equal. So in that case, if we can label this length as x, let's take this part off. So if we label this length x, is the same width from here to here is x, from here to here is also x, and this is also x. And if we have gotten this as x, it means that the area of the small square is going to be x squared. Now, the question is, how do we find the value of this x? Let's go back to the diagram. Remember, we said this length measures x, which is also the same with this. So in that case, here measures x. And you notice that this is perpendicular at this point, because for a square, this part is 90. The remaining angle will also be 90. And if here is 90, you observe that from here to here is 6. And this is the diagonal of the square. And this length is equal from here to here is equal from here to here, because this is the center. And if from here to here is 6, automatically this length also measures 6 units. And if this is 6, you know too well that the length here, which is x, if from here to here is x, this is half of this. So if from here to here is x, automatically this remaining length should also be x. So here is also x. Now with this, we can bring this part of the right triangle. So let's bring this shape out to help us to solve. So if you do that, this length measures x, and this length measures x. This length measures 6. So if you're using your Pythagorean's theorem, remember that this side that is opposite to the right angle is the longest side. So what you just need to do is to square it, and it should be equal to the two legs squared and summed. So you have x squared plus x squared. If you simplify this, this gives you 36 is equal to, this will give us 2x squared. So what do? Divide both sides by 2 by the coefficient. So you do same here, divide this by 2. And when you do that, divide this, it gives you 18 is equal to x squared. This means that x squared is equal to 18. Now, if x squared is 18, we don't need to go further, because you know that for us to find the area of this small square, it is the same as x squared. So in that case, what we have now is area of the small square is given as 18 squared units. So this length, this value in here is given as 18 squared units. And I hope you learned something. If you did, don't forget to tell us how much, like, share. And if you're still new, want to subscribe for the more tips. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for choosing to learn through us. I'll also be curious to see your own method. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.